Hi kids, welcome to our Smart Kids Learning channel. My name is Shirisha Nalekar. You can call me Shiru. Please do subscribe to our channel. Today we are going to learn 5 topics. First is human feelings. Second is geometry box tools. Third is short forms of English words. Fourth is bathroom vocabulary. Fifth is HW family words. Let's learn human feelings. Let's start. Happy. 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 This boy is happy. This girl is happy. 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 Next is sad. 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 This boy is sad. This girl is sad. 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 Next is excited. 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 This boy is excited. This girl is excited. 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 Next is angry. 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 This boy is angry. This girl is angry. 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 Next is confused. 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 This boy is confused. This girl is confused. 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 Next is scared. 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 This boy is scared. This girl is scared. Scared. Next is bored. 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 This boy is bored. This girl is bored. 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 Next is proud. 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 This boy is proud. This girl is proud. 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 Next is nervous. 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 This boy is nervous. This girl is nervous. 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 Next is surprised. 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 This boy is surprised. This girl is surprised. Surprised. Next is tired. Tired. This boy is tired. This girl is tired. Tired. Next is jealous. 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 This boy is jealous. This girl is jealous. 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 Next is relax. Relaxed. Relaxed. This boy is relaxed. This girl is relaxed. 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 Next is lonely. 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 This boy is lonely. This girl is lonely. 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 Next is playful. 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 This boy is playful. This girl is playful. Next is sleepy. 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 This boy is sleepy. This girl is sleepy. 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 Next is shocked. 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 This boy is shocked. This girl is shocked. 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 Next is joyful. 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 This boy is joyful. This girl is joyful. 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 Do you like my videos? Like, share and subscribe. Let's learn geometric box tools. Let's start. Compass. 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 Next is eraser. Eraser. Next is protector. Protector. Next is set square. Square. Set square. Next is pencil. 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 Next is ruler. 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 Next is divider. 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 Next is sharpener. 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 If you like my video, like, share, subscribe. Let's learn short forms of English words. Let's start. LOL. Laugh out loud. Next is OMG. Oh my god. Next is LMK. Let me know. Next is IDK. I don't know. Next is JK. Just kidding. Next is BBL. Be back later. Next is ASAP. As soon as possible. Next is TTYL. Talk to you later. Next is GBU. God bless you. Next is K. Okay. If you like my video, like, share, subscribe. Let's learn bathroom vocabulary. Toilet paper. TOILET. Toilet. PAPER. Paper. Toilet paper. Next is mug. 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 Next is soap. 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 Next is soap dish. SOAP. Soap dish. 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 Soap dish. Next is bucket. 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 Next is face wash. FACE. Face wash. 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 Face wash. Next is shampoo. 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 Next is toothbrush. TOOTH. Tooth. BURSH. Brush. Toothbrush. Next is toothpaste. TOOTH. Tooth. PASTE. Paste. Toothpaste. Next is tongue cleaner. T-O-N-G-U-E-R, cleaner. C-L-E-A-N-E-R, cleaner, tongue cleaner. If you like my video, please like, share, subscribe. Let's learn WH family words and their usage. What? WH-A-T word. What is your name? Next is where. W-H-E-R-E, where. Where you are going. When. W-H-E-N, when. When you are coming. Next is why. W-H-Y. Why you are laughing. Who. W-H-O, who. Who are you? Whom. W-H-O-M, whom. Whom will you send for? Next is which. W-H-I-C-H, which. Which is your favorite color? If you like my